morning! It's me again guys, Lord Lisa Bani. Welcome to my vlog guys! Ito na yung sagid guys. Ito yung pinaka-miss ko. Ito mo yung ilong ko guys. Bra, nagpula ang nose ko. Ayun ata ko.
Ayun na ate.
Ito guys, ito yung pinaka-main square guys. Ayan, daming tao. Taren. Grabe, umuusok-usok yung bunganga ko na naman. Taren. Grabe guys, umuusok yung lamig. Hello guys, ito yung bagong cathedral dito sa Zagreb. Under construction pa guys. Pinakamalaking ano to, cathedral. Grabe, ang laki. And guys, thank you for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and shout out to everyone. Stay safe and God bless you. Thank you. Bye.